Yeah, we should be live in another 10 to 15 seconds. That's all right.
Okay, okay. Yeah. All India Radio live program ஆரம்பிக்கிற மாதிரி எனக்கு படபடன்னு அடிச்சுக்கிறது ஒரு மாதிரி.
எனக்கு மெசேஜ் வந்திருக்கு, meeting is now streaming live
ஆமா
on Facebook.
ஆமா வந்திருக்கு. Shall we
Yes,
start?
Yeah.
Okay. Namaskaram everyone. Namaskaram to Shri N. Murali, to Shri V.V. Sundaram Mama, to all my friends, all the musician friends, all the Rasikas globally, all the music students, the youngsters, the elders, one and all, ellarku periya namaskaram. I am extremely thrilled and exhilarated today. It's a very, very landmark day, I would say, in our lives, to have a carnival online. We have heard of carnival offline, and we had one last year. We started last year, had a carnival at a venue where loads of people came, and it was such a massive success. In fact, we couldn't accommodate everybody, and this year we were actually planning to have it in a bigger venue to accommodate more people and more participants. There was a lot of enthusiasm, but I think man proposes only, but God disposed, and he wanted it to reach a global audience worldwide. And this time, 6 o'clock, I think evening is very convenient for people all over the world to witness this event today. And so this is happening online. This is Music Carnival 2020 online edition. I'm really, really very thrilled. You can see it on my face. I'm very excited. Without further ado, let me welcome Shri N. Murali, President of Madras Music Academy. He'll be inaugurating the carnival today, and we have Shri V.V. Sundaram also with us today, because he's a very global man. Cleveland, we all know him, and so he's also with us. And in fact, the coincidence is that these were the people who had the Midas touch, I should say, last time, and they inaugurated the carnival, Music Carnival 2019. So we're very happy to have you with us today, Murali sir and Sundaram Mama. Thank you so much for being here with us. Just a word, a couple of words about this Music Carnival before I hand over the mic to Shri Murali sir to inaugurate and also say a few words. This is a very unique carnival, not only in terms of it's being first of its kind, but a lot of technological things have been put in place. We all know of crosswords, anagrams, and so many other games that we play regularly online, but they're all the general crosswords, general anagrams, unscramble, or card game, rummy, whatever. But to have the basic, the domain thing, the domain, underlying domain idea for all these games is music, Carnatic music. So to develop something for that was a humongous task. Not just anagrams and crosswords and games like that, but we have a lot of interesting novel games here. We have some interesting card games that have been developed only for this occasion, only for our Music Carnival. Then we have certain online games like Amaze. I mean, I'll let my team members talk to you, my friends here talk to you about each one of them later on, and you yourself are going to witness all these things. These are all first of the kind. And it's not just my teammates who are sitting here. There are so many of them on the other side who are watching us and who are like waiting and applauding us. There are so many other musicians as well. One good thing is all the musicians, irrespective of the age, senior musicians, my colleagues in the field, and my younger team members and younger musicians have lent their support. I can't tell you to what extent they have worked and toiled endlessly 24/7 hours, and it's a dream come true for all of us. So without much further ado, let me now request Shri Murali to inaugurate this Music Carnival 2020 and also say a few words, sir, please.
Thank you, Soumya. Namaskaram. Hello, everybody. I hope all of you are fine and safe. I'm delighted to be part of this special, unique event, which is Carnatic Music Carnival 2020 by Sukrutam Foundation, headed by the eminent musician Soumya. Sorry, last year I got away with saying eminent musician Soumya, but now since then she has become a Sangeeta Kalanidhi. Therefore, I need to address her as Sangeeta Kalanidhi Soumya and a wonderful team for putting together this event. Uh, as you, as we have all experienced, we are living in unnatural, extraordinary, and unprecedented times when a pandemic, the whole world is in the grip of a pandemic that is raging relentlessly even as we speak. No country is an exception. No sector, no section of society is untouched by this. And so, on the one hand, it is a deadly transmissible disease, but on the other hand, it's a great leveler. There's nobody who can say he won't get it or she won't get it. So we are all living in that situation. And life, as we know, has been totally disrupted and in fact turned upside down. So in this scenario, I think something like this is like a breath of fresh air. We all talk of music being a great healer, music being having therapeutic qualities and so on. But this is the time when music and technology have come together to keep us all somewhat sane, I should say. I must here compliment Sangeeta Kalanidhi Soumya and a wonderful team for putting together this event, because last year, Mr. Sundaram and I both were there. It was a physical event. We could see the energy, the excitement, the buzz around there, and all the audience interests and enthusiasm. So that was a physical event. Of course, it has its own charm. But under these circumstances, to put together this event is indeed a remarkable achievement, because not only are those games, interactive games, activities, and so on, not only have they to be through technology transferred to a virtual version, it has also got to be done with someone savvy in technology. And I'm amazed at how these young musicians themselves are so adept at technological innovations and creativity that one wonders what would be music without some of these wonderful people. As I said, in this scenario, when all the time there is information of grim milestones of either surge in number of infections or deaths and so on, this event is a wonderful, pleasant, creative, and stimulating distraction, I should say, or away from that. And it also provides stimulation and entertainment at the same time. The other remarkable thing is so many musicians, leading musicians, younger musicians, have all come together in a spirit of teamwork and camaraderie to be part of this event. Of course, the organizing team consists of many youngsters and live wire people, of course, motivated by Soumya, but the various other musicians from outside are also helping and hosting events. I think that is remarkable for so many musicians, to young, senior. This event is also a great leveler, because there is no senior, sub-senior, junior, or veteran. I don't know whether there's a veteran here, but so I think what we are in for is an exciting, 3-day festival full of imagination. I think the whole team has allowed its imagination to run riot. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to see a program like this. So I think I've talked enough. I wish the team every success, and I hope all of us stay safe and well and tide over this. And when we come out on the other side of the tunnel, probably it will be a new normal where technology may have a role, but there's nothing like physical presence. I think though this is the second best, I would say, nothing, it is not, it is somewhat unnatural, whereas the physical event where you can see the palpable enthusiasm, the emotions, the camaraderie and the physical proximity. I think nothing can beat that, but then we can't choose under these circumstances. This itself is as a major accomplishment that the team has put together. I wish this event every success, and I hope I will also be able to witness some of it in the coming days. Thank you very much for inviting me, and I'm happy to share the stage again with Mr. Sundaram, who has done yeoman service for Carnatic music in the US, and his festival is the second largest after the December Music Festival in Chennai, but now everything is up in the air. We'll have to see where we stand, where we go, because uncertainty still looms large. But let's forget all that and get on with this wonderful event. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. In fact, I should say this, both Sri Murali and Sri Sundaram Mama, both of them are extremely young at their hearts. The way they show their enthusiasm, the interest is very inspiring. In fact, I remember last time when Murali sir and Sundaram Mama were going around looking at different stalls, they were like, oh, idu enadhu, oh, idu nanna irukke. You could see them visibly happy and enjoying what they saw. And that is the same thing I see now, even though it is on a screen like this, but we can feel it, that enthusiasm, that positive energy is really very inspiring, sir. Thank you so much. And as you said, this is, I didn't want to mention that at all, because yes, we are all facing the situation, whatever it is now. But yes, music has helped us think of only music and nothing else as of now. It has been a 24/7 passionate work for all of us. Let me invite Sri V.V. Sundaram to say a few words, please.
Namaskaram. Soumya, I'm so happy to be part of this. Last year when I came and watched Sukrugam 2019, I was simply overwhelmed by the creativity. The creativity is not only at the senior most level, but when you put together the small skit with 6-7-year-old kids, it took my breath away. The most interesting part is that, as Murali said, in these difficult times, these very, very difficult times, to pull together something like this is remarkable. It is remarkable in one sense that you also brought together some of the most talented younger generation artists to work with you on this. And the creative way in which they have come up with various ideas is very, very noteworthy. I'm very, very happy to be part of this. Yes, the pandemic has impacted us very adversely, both the performing musicians as well as the Rasikas. But I think one of the greatest tragedies is that not only the disease itself, but the collateral damage that has done to the financial well-being of some of the other artists who are may not have the technical savviness to reach out to people outside of their own area to tap into whatever is available to sustain them. And I work with some of these artists, and I understand the trauma and they are undergoing. And so under these circumstances, it is tragic not only to have this kind of a pandemic raging, but also its impact on the lives of ordinary people and the artists in general. I think in that sense, what you are doing today, this festival, is an affirmation that no matter what is the dire situation, art cannot be suppressed, and the artists cannot be suppressed in terms of their creativity. That is what has come out today. And I'm very happy because it is one thing to know the art yourself. The other thing is to share it with others. And more important, what Sukridam is doing is bringing out other people to be part of the creative process and say that here it is something that you might have seen it from the fringes, from the periphery, but be part of it and see how much creativity you can bring in, how much you can enjoy, and more important, how much you can give happiness and joy to other people. That's what has really come out. And I really congratulate you and your team in putting together this awesome, absolutely awesome display of all these things. And Mr. Murali, I need to congratulate you and thank you for your kind words. And what Music Academy has done is something remarkable, something that's a platform that everybody aspires to. In the end, it's like IIT, and you know that. You are from IIT, Soumya. And saying that, because to get something like about 2,000 people in, 200,000 people tried. Whether they get in or not is not important. The other 198,000 people have elevated themselves from one particular level to the next level academically. Similarly, it doesn't matter whether you get featured in the Music Academy or not, but the fact that so many people try elevates their own music, their own trying. The biggest contribution is not in terms of the people who are coming and performing in the Music Academy. It's the people who are not performing, who are striving for that one. And in the process, how their own creativity has got enhanced. That is the biggest contribution of an organization like Music Academy. And I'm very, very happy that Sri Murali is there here representing that organization to come and talk with us today on Sukridam's 2020 Carnival. Finally, I want to say one thing. And creativity does not stop with the chosen art form. That is what you and all your people have demonstrated today. Creativity goes beyond that. Creativity goes in terms of thinking about new ways in which to take the art form to people, number one. And more important, bringing in other people into the art form. And third thing is that giving them ideas so that they themselves can essentially try something far higher than what they have been thinking about themselves. In that sense, Sukridam has plays a major, major role in the art field. And I want to congratulate you and your team for putting together this wonderful, absolutely wonderful carnival. As Sri Murali said, I would like to be watching it and be part of it as much as I can, and I hope to do that one. And thank you for inviting me for this inaugural function. I wish you and your team the very best, not only in this carnival, but in the days to come as you pursue your artistic endeavor. Thank you very much for including me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mama. See, in the Mari time, the positive vibrations, blessings from people like you and Mr. Murali, they matter the most. As Tyagaraja says, Peddalu Ashirvada Balamo in his thing, he says, how did I get you, Rama? Is it because of this, that? So many things he says. In that one, he says, Peddalu Ashirvada Balamo. So I think that is what this is. So when Murali sir said there are no veterans, we have people like you here who have been who've been watching the field, who've been listening to elders so many generations now. So Inga Guru and enna kaadu abdin someone who has heard the veterans and the kaada rasikira mari ungalala naanga rasikrom because you've heard so much music over the years and you also interacted with them. Thank you for being here and passing on your positive and wonderful blessings and energies. Murali sir, may we just request you to formally declare it open. So, we will open the website to public with all the features, please.
Okay,
Just
formally declare open Music Carnival 2020 by Sukridam's Foundation.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, just before, I would like to say just a few words about the carnival itself, the features, before I hand over the mic, I would say in this case, to my my young friends here. this year's carnival has many interesting, novel features. One of them is the if you look at it's the games per se. Some of the games will be there all the time for you to play, like crossword, anagrams, and so on. The details will be, of course, given by my young colleagues here. We also have Mama Sundara Mama. We have puppet show this time also by the 3-4 year olds. But this time it's a leather puppet because they'll not be there to physically do the puppet show. So they have sung instead this time. Last time also they had done, but this time they have sung, and it's a leather puppetry show. Then we have 7-8 year olds giving another skit, and we have 3 skits like that, and a comedy skit and something like that. And so that is the performance arena. Then there are a number of events that are going to be held live. That is one section. The other section is the what is it, the other one? Sorry? Online registration, registered games, and more events premiered like this. Let me now hand over the mic to L. Ramakrishnan, Vidwan L. Ramakrishnan, who is a very sought after violin Vidwan, and who's an engineer himself. So he's the one who has technically developed the whole thing, the brain behind the whole thing, the technical, and he's worked like really if there were more number of hours, I would have said that 24/7 for this. May I request Ramakrishnan to walk us through the website and explain it to the public as to what they should look for.
I'll be sharing my screen in a moment.
Yeah, Rama will be sharing his screen.
Can you be a little louder?
Yeah, let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, it's up. Yes, it's up.
Perfect. Okay. This website is going to be the launch pad of every fun event that we have thought of for this entire carnival. When I say that, there are 2 kinds of events, as Akka rightly said. One is where the games will be online throughout the 3 days of the carnival. You can find them in this section, which is named Online Games. I'll just go over a few of those sections. So there are a lot of fun games like Recognize the Artist, where we'll be playing recordings and people can guess the artist, and Rewind, where we will play the song in reverse and we need to guess what song it is, and so on and so on. So those are the AV kind of quizzes. We also have specially developed 2 games only for the music carnival. You wouldn't have heard of these games earlier or even thought about this. The idea is a card game similar to, let's say, Rummy, but based on Carnatic music. That's Meld. And there is another game which is Amaze, which is going through a maze by guessing ragas. And if you get them right, you go through. You get them wrong, the game is over. And there are other quizzes like general knowledge quizzes, again tied to Carnatic music, various aspects of Carnatic music. There are also picture puzzles like jigsaw puzzles, where we have artists, composers, and any other concepts related to Carnatic music, even deities in some cases. And people have to join together those pieces to form a jigsaw. And then there are also visual quizzes where we have blurred images and we ask people to guess who the artist is or who the composer is, and so on. And we have also gone into details of how instruments have been made, musical instruments, through another game where people can get educated as to what really goes behind making an instrument, as to what the raw materials are. So these are just examples of a few games. I'm not going over all the games. There are much more than these. So these are the online games that are going to be available all the time, right? So, but there are also events that people have already registered to, and they are upcoming. Like the first event that we are going to have is like at 8 p.m. today. It's a quiz event. So all those events will be available if you click on this events link at the top. If you want to see the schedule of all the 3 days put together, there's a schedule at the top here on the menu. That's where you can see the entire schedule for all the 3 days. We also have a gallery section. It is to reminisce our last year's inaugural festival, the first time that we had a music carnival. There are some videos and nice clips for you to enjoy. And then we have promos for different events that we are conducting this year. So if you want to get a better idea of what that event is, you could watch the promo and you'll get a fair idea about it. Then we have an about section where there's a nice little collage of the entire team and you get to know about what our goal is. And then finally, if you want to contact us, that's right at the bottom of the web page. You don't need to mail us or call us. You could just type your email here and send us a message. You have been, like, a lot of people have already sent us a lot of messages. So continue doing that. So that's about the website. So over to you, Bharat. I think you'll be talking about how we are using other aspects of technology, like Facebook. Right?
Yeah. So thank you, Rama. Can you just share the schedule screen?
Sure.
Yeah. So as you can see this schedule, to your right, there is this white list of events that are in the white box to your right. Those were the original events that we actually planned to do when we thought of having a carnival online. We never imagined we could actually do a carnival live online. Games going live was definitely not in our minds when we started it. And then when we started discussing and people came up with a lot of ideas and we put it together, and as Akka rightly said, everyone really worked day and night and day, to such an extent that we forgot how the clock looked like. So so that's the one in the middle are the live events. So as L. Ramakrishnan said, we are having one of the live events now. The inauguration will be followed by quiz and leather puppetry show, and Amaze is another game. So how we do this game is we have started promoting these games like 2-3 weeks ago, and then we got a lot of registrations for all these games, and these participants will be connected through a Zoom call, and which will be streamed to Facebook, just like what's happening now. So every event in the middle will be done like that, and the events to your right, the face mashup, anagrams, raga jumble, picture connect, etc., they can be played on the Sukrutam Carnival website anytime by anyone. So those are the live and events. They are events that are available all the time. So I'll ask Vidya to just talk more on this.
Thank you, Bharat. So as Bharat and Ramakrishnan said, like, we have various events, and on the contacts page which was shown to you, the most frequently asked question is, how do I register for the carnival? So I don't think you would have to ask us that question anymore, because just for a very few events we registered, yes, because the events are being hosted on an online platform, and there are some limitations as to how many people we can accommodate on a single Zoom call, or on say, for example, a treasure hunt is happening on a Google Classroom, so that we have a limit to which we can accept. So we opened up registrations for some of those events, and we have been registering for each of those events with ample notice through our site. And the registrations have been going on for the past 1 week or so. And we've completed registrations for all the events. And for the 2 quizzes especially, we had a preliminary quiz, and the top scorers of the preliminary have been selected for the live finals, which you will witness 1 quiz today and 1 quiz tomorrow. So this is how we registered. But apart from this, the events which Bharat mentioned, the ones in the white box, absolutely no registration is required. Anybody can play that game anytime during the carnival. And in the other section, the events that you saw, the premieres are being mentioned specifically. Like Akka said, there are 3 skits which are going to be premiering in the carnival. So that is for you all to watch on Facebook. You can watch it live. You don't need to register for it. There is no fees. There is no registration fee for anything, any of the events. And just 2 exceptions is the Dumb Charades and the Pictionary, which is going directly on Facebook Live. So that is those are the 2 events where all of you can join, and we look forward to seeing a lot of you. You can really have a lot of fun both days. Like we have Dumb Charades on one day and we have Pictionary on one day, which is both going to be presented by guests. So please do join in our Facebook Live for those 2 events and be a part. You can guess your answers as Facebook comments, and it's going to be an interactive session. So there is no more registration involved in the carnival. And even if you have missed to register, it's absolutely fine, because all our events are going to be streamed on Facebook, and also it will be available on our YouTube page later. So you can still watch all the events that's being played, and you can be a part of the fun. You can still have that carnival experience, even if you are not registered in that small number available. So everybody is going to have a lot of fun, and we're looking forward to it, just like all of you are. Thank you. And can I ask Ashwath to explain more about the events?
Yes. Namaskaram to everyone. As Vidya rightly said, I think there are two kinds of people who attend the carnival. There is one bunch who want to participate and play. There's another set of people who just want to be there and just observe what's happening and enjoy the whole experience, right? So I think the 2 places where we try to capture this are, one, over the website, where all the links to all the games are there, where you can go and play for the ones who want to play. For the ones who just want to be a part of the experience, Facebook is your place, where all the events are going to be relayed, and that's where we will be able to capture it. Another platform where we also want to capture this is Instagram, where I think last year one of the major reasons why a lot of traction happened for the carnival is because a lot of people were sharing things on Instagram in terms of photos and other things, the live things happening. So we want to try and capture that as well. So we will be taking screenshots of live events and posting there, some screen captures of videos as well. So please subscribe to our Instagram page and our Facebook page, and you can get all the notifications there, so that you don't miss out on any of those events, because they're all scheduled back to back, and you'll get all your notifications there, and we really hope you all enjoy it. I pass the baton to Mrs. K. Gayatri to explain about the skits more in detail.
Namaskaram, everybody. So, as Murli sir rightly said, doing a carnival physically is much more easier than doing this online, especially with respect to the 3 skits that are going to be premiered. So last year, I still remember on the puppet show, Pandrache, everybody, they were in the audience was saying once more. So on the given time, we did the puppet show twice or thrice. So it was very well received. So when we started planning to do this online edition, we said, okay, we should go with the kids doing the puppet show and also feature the slightly bigger kids also. So these 3 skits that are planned are, one is Elorume Vanga Vanga, which features kids below 6 years. That's the leather puppetry show, which will be premiered tonight at 9:30 p.m. The other one is Varisayai Paduvom, that is by slightly bigger kids. So they have enacted and sung. The other one is a very jolly, fun skit, which features some of us musicians. So it was a simply an awesome fun time, I should say. Doing things from home and maintaining the given challenges, the quarantine, social distancing. So we were discussing about, oh, maybe we should just meet up and do, and then we said we just chucked that plan out, and we did from our respective homes. Collating all this and doing it was absolute fun. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun. Please do watch all these three skits that are being premiered on Facebook Live and on YouTube along with us. And these will be available on our website all the time.
Yes.
Over to you, Soumyaka.
Yeah, thank you, my friends. That was, I hope all of you have understood what it is. So this is not a video. It's not a video that, you have to register for or something like that. It will be there for you all the time. It's like starts now and it will be there. The whole thing will be there at least definitely till August 9th midnight, and some of them will be there on our website later on also, depending on the traction we get, depending on so many other features. But yes, we'll definitely be maintaining some of the games out there. So as we've heard from all of them, see all the registrations, they've all been free at all times. No money, no charge, nothing at all. It's like Tamil solra mari yam petra inbam ivayagam pera vendumgra, literally in the vayagathoda we are trying to share what we have learned, what we have enjoyed, the joy that we have experienced in learning and now in creating and now in sharing with all of you. That is what the whole thing is about. And before, again, it's not a formal vote of thanks, but I have to say this, not just to my team who's present here, lovely musicians, also to those musicians and students who worked with us tirelessly in putting all these things together, many of them, Bhavya, Subhashri, Swati, Preeti, Ranjani, Brinda, then Ramnath Nair, and so many of them. And all the wonderful musicians who are going to be the guests on the show. I can't tell you how much we value this. As mentioned earlier, we have Ranjani Gayatri coming for the Antakshari tomorrow, then and all the other musicians, and the musicians like Amrita, Nisha, Ritvik, Vignesh Ishwar, Sri Ranjani, Gayatri Venkatraghavan, Gayatri Girish, all of them, they are all going to be participating. Then we have Saket Raman for Dum Charades, Aishwarya Vidya Raghunath for Pictionary, and then all these musicians, and not only these, all those wonderful musicians who took their time off to test some of the events, play with us, and also give promos, promo videos for us, like Lalgudi Vijayalakshmi, Vijay Shiva, Amrita Murali, of course, did, Ramakrishnan Murthy, all of them. We just had to ask them, not just ask them, hey, we are doing this here. Nanga pannidrom, we'll do it for you. We'll be there for you. Absolutely no hesitation at all. So that is the spirit of this carnival. So enjoy yourself. And as mentioned earlier, and I would also like to meld, and the game on the create pannadu was not us, none of us, but a group of very, very young engineers, just out of college engineers, fresh engineers, I should say. They have put the game together. It was just the concept was given by us, but they have put the game from the scratch. I'm not a software person, but all I can say is all the coding, etc. I don't know, 30,000 coding, Enalamo they were saying. And these also happen to be my son's classmates from school. I've known these as children, but now to see them come out and do something fantastic, I have no words. I think you should enjoy yourself to understand what it is. Let me tell you, we've been playing it tirelessly. The Ratri 24/7, we've also been like playing for 1 or 2 hours now and then. We really enjoy doing it. It's a nice card game. So, and that is Meld for you. And I would like to really thank those guys, and a big hugs to all of you, everyone, all musicians, everybody, and all the wonderful Rasikas who've been like going on asking us, Eppa Carnival, Eppa Aramika Poral, Eppa Pannungo. One point I would like to say here is the premiere Pandra shows, whatever shows are getting premiered, only after they are premiered will you be able to click on them and see them. For example, if you go immediately after this to our website and try to click on, say, the puppet show, you will not be able to, because it will be premiered only at 9:30. But after 9:30, once it gets premiered, it will be there for you to watch any time after that. It is the same with the quiz. Any of those events that you saw in the center, the yellow portion, when they get premiered at that specific time, after that, they will all be available for you to enjoy. Till then, wait, it'll be suspense. Okay, so wait, enjoy. Anything else? Have I missed something else, guys? எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டோம் இல்லையா?
Not really.
ஓகே, இனிமே வந்து இனிமே இட்ஸ் ஆல் ஃபார் யூ டு என்ஜாய். இதுக்கப்புறம் 8 o'clock வரைக்கும் you have time for all of you. Go enjoy, see everything. Just go through the website, try playing some of those games that are available right now, and come back for the quiz at 8 p.m. tonight with V. Sriram. My God, it's such a fabulous quiz, I tell you. Mind blowing. Appa ivlavu irka abdingra is a feeling you'll get that Sriram and Madhu will generate tomorrow. So please do come and enjoy all the events. Don't sleep for 3 days. It's okay. Enjoy. And thank you all friends throughout the world, all musicians, all the colleagues, and all Rasikas. Namaste. Thank you, Murli sir, and thank you, Sundaram Mama, once again for being with us and for always being such a source of energy, enthusiasm, and a young spirit. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.